moment. AJ and Gavin are going to do the award-winning scene from an Oscar-nominated film. I just need the name of this Oscar-nominated film.
The Blood Pickle.
The what?
The Blood Pickle.
The Blood Pickle. What a movie! What a movie that was. The Blood Pickle and that famous scene.
The draining.
The draining. Ladies and gentlemen, the Uptown is proud to present the draining from a blood pickle.
I see it's Kevin. You ready, Kevin?
Yeah, DJ. things are looking great out here in this field.
Now I got the machine ready.
Yeah, I got my shovel. Yeah,
I'm ready for some pickling.
some pickling.
Ready to dig?
Yeah, these pickles are worth so much money on the black market.
All right, press down with your left foot.
My left foot
Your
on the
left-
machine.
Your left foot, my right foot.
Yeah, but the button's over there.
Yep, we're getting there. Let's not
This
get ahead
sounds
of
very
ourselves.
dangerous. It's heavy machinery.
Well, you signed up for this, Kevin.
DJ, I don't stretch anymore. I think you got this.
You telling me you don't
Alright, fine,
stretch now?
I got you. Oh,
On the
God.
damn pickling day?
I got the button. I got the button. Wow, I surprise myself sometimes. I
Where
didn't
you
get
going?
my head
Get
in
back
it.
over here. We're gonna do
Just figure
this.
it's an on-off kind of switch.
They might take our lives.
But they won't take our pickles.
Our pickles.
That was the best thing you said today there, DJ. Wow, DJ. DJ!
Today be my last pickle for freedom.
No. DJ.
My right foot and your left foot in the air
Together.
over the machine.
No.
I guess the machine's just gonna pickle us all.
No, DJ. Not today. They're not gonna. Yo, DJ. Not today. Get that pickle out of your pocket. Not today. You're gonna live to ride that machine one more time.
I choked on a pickle.
Yeah. DJ.
I thought I was gonna die.
I was hoping you would. Cause I'm sick of shoveling. I just wanna ride that machine how you do.
I'll show you how to use the machine, Kevin. One day you can die like me for a pickle.
I got a secret to tell you, DJ. When you go home to your wife and 3 children, Beavis, Buster, and Betty, I spend all night on this machine in the dark trying to figure out all these buttons and everything. I'm harvesting pickles every single day. So many bagfuls of these blood pickles are gonna sell on the black market someday. And I harvest the most perfect pickle to cram down your throat and take over this whole farm operation.
It's what you don't know about family, Kevin. I do it. I exploit you for my family. Something you never understand.
I don't understand.